Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. There's never been a better time to join the world of 3D printing or, for experienced makers, to upgrade. With the right printer, you can make models, toys, hooks, stands, replacement parts for electronics, or a new case for your Raspberry Pi. You can get one of the best 3D printers and plenty of material for well under $300 in 2022. So consider what you'll be making with it and read on to learn more. The two most common types of home 3D printers are resin MCLA, masked stereolithography, and filament FDM, fused deposition modeling.
Number 3. Anycubic Kobra Go.
The Anycubic Kobra Go is the perfect budget 3D printer for new makers wanting to learn the craft, as well as seasoned pros who want a trouble-free second or third machine. Sure, it doesn't have a fancy touch screen, but it does have two features that make life easy: auto bed leveling and a PI-coated flex plate. Anycubic kept the cost low, a remarkable $219, by making this version a DIY kit with a cheaper Bowden-style extruder. Its tiny knob-controlled screen might seem like a step backwards, but it's so easy to navigate I didn't even mind. The extra half hour or so spent assembling the printer is well worth the $100 you're saving when compared to the standard Kobra or the similarly kit-out Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo.
Number 2. Elegoo Mars 2 Pro.
If you're getting into resin 3D printing for the first time, you have an overwhelming number of options and price points. The good news for beginners is you don't have to sacrifice your budget for quality. You can find the easy-to-use Mars 2 Pro on sale for as little as $200. Its smaller build volume is perfect for gaming miniatures and trinkets, but not larger models. And though its 2K resolution may not be the most detailed among resin printers, it is miles ahead of the quality you can achieve with a filament-based machine.
Number 1. Creality Ender 3 S1 Pro.
Creality's Ender 3 S1 Pro is the latest and most impressive iteration of the popular Ender 3 line. Not a cheap DIY 3D printer in need of upgrades like its predecessors, the $479 S1 Pro arrives fully loaded, delivering an out-of-the-box experience that's simple for beginners and powerful for experienced makers. The Ender 3 S1 Pro comes mostly assembled and only took us about 15 minutes and a handful of bolts to put together. Bed leveling, the bane of makers new to the hobby, is no longer a worry with Creality's CR Touch Pro. This is by far one of the easiest auto leveling systems we've tested.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.